In this video, we're going to talk about special right triangles. These are our objectives. Identify special right triangles and determine the relationship of the sides and angles of special right triangles. By the way, what are special right triangles? We have the 45-45 right triangle and the 30-60-90 degree right triangle. In this video, we're going to focus on 45-45-90 degree right triangle. So you have to take note of this. The ratio of the sides in a 45-45-90 degree triangle is 1:1 is the square root of 2. How come? So the 45-45-90 degree triangle is based on the square with sides of 1 unit. If we draw the diagonals, we form two 45-45-90 degree triangles, and those are this one and this one. Using the Pythagorean Theorem, we can find the length of the diagonal. So, we're going to use the formula a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So, if we're going to substitute, the value for a is 1, also 1 for the b. So, that would be 1 squared plus 1 squared is equal to c squared. And if we're going to simplify, that would be 2 is equal to c squared. And for us to get the exact value of c, we simply get the square root of both sides, and that would be square root of 2. So square root of 2 is now the measure of the diagonals or the hypotenuse. So we can conclude that the ratio of the sides in a 45-45-90 degree triangle is 1:1 is the square root of 2. Again, take note of this. So let's try to answer these examples. So I have here a special right triangle, a 45-45-90 degree right triangle. So one of the leg measures 4. With that, how are we going to get the measure of the other leg? Again, going back to the ratio 1:1 is the square root of 2. So, the other leg also measures 4. It should be the same. How about the measure of the hypotenuse? So, you simply multiply the leg by square root of 2. Therefore, this is 4 square root of 2. Another example. So, one of the leg measures square root of 7. Therefore, the other leg also measures square root of 7. And to get the hypotenuse, you simply multiply the leg by square root of 2. And that would be square root of 14. What if the given is the measure of the hypotenuse? So we have here 3 square root of 2. You simply divide the hypotenuse by square root of 2. So if you're going to simplify that, that is 3. So if this leg is 3, the other leg is also 3. Next. Okay, the hypotenuse measures 8. So to get the measure of the leg, you simply divide that 8 by square root of 2. So, this could be the answer, but this is not already in simplest form. So, by rationalizing the denominator, your answer could be 4 square root of 2. So, if this is 4 square root of 2, the other leg also measures 4 square root of 2. So I hope you understand the lesson. And with that, let's try to answer this by completing this table. So you're going to look for A, B, and C. So you can hit the pause button. And if you're done, this is the answer.